I want a renaissance to shine a light, be the change we want, set things right.
So ayan guys, andito tayo sa YouTube studio. Papakita ko sa inyo yung naabot nating requirements para makapag-apply sa YouTube Partner Program. So, naabot na natin yung 1,000 required na subscribers, and then naabot na rin natin yung 4,000 required na watch hours. Ayan. Makita natin dito yung sign up for Google AdSense. Pakita ko sa inyo. Review partner program terms. Sign up for Google AdSense. And get reviewed. YouTube will review your channel to make sure that it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. Ayan, dito tayo sa channel monetization. Review partner program. Start na natin. Ayan, kailangan natin basahin to guys. So dito guys, yung change country or territory, nilagay ko siya sa Philippines. Ayan, nabasa ko na yung yung agreement na to. So, i-click na natin itong I accept. And then, accept terms. So, mag-apply na tayo sa step 2. Sign up for Google AdSense. Create a new AdSense account or connect an existing one to your channel. You need an AdSense account to monetize and get paid. Ayan, start na natin itong sign up for Google AdSense. You will be redirected to AdSense to complete this step. You need an AdSense account to start monetizing and get paid. So, I don't have an existing account. Dito tayo. On the next screen, choose the Google account that you want to create an AdSense account with. You will be redirected to AdSense to create the new account. Once you're finished, you will be redirected back to YouTube. Ayan. Ayan. So, continue na natin to. So guys, nandito na ako sa Google AdSense sign up. Ayan, dito na ako dinirect. Nung pagka-click natin, dito ako napunta. So guys, kinlik ko itong get more out of AdSense. Yes, send me customized help and performance suggestions para kung may mga questions tayo. So, ito, pinili ko yung Philippines ulit. Yan. And then, nandito yung, terms and conditions na kailangan ulit nating basahin. So, nung pinili ko yung Philippines, Tagalog yung lumabas. Ayan. So, guys, after nyo basahin yung terms and conditions, click lang natin to, and then create natin yung account. Ayan. Tingnan natin to get started. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Ayan, nakalagay dito, payment address details. To make sure that you get paid, please provide your address. We need this to send you important information about your account. Payment profile. Choose the payments profile that will be associated with this account of transaction. Ayan. Guys, apply tayo dito sa Google AdSense. Kailangan nating ilagay yung mga information dito. Yung real name natin. Then yung address. Town, city. Ayan. Province, nilagay ko na yung Cebu. And then phone number. Then submit. So, Lagay ko lang yung mga information, guys. Ayan guys, na tayo sa step 1. And then, itong Google AdSense natin is in progress. And then, ito, get reviewed, not started. YouTube will review your channel to make sure that it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. This step will begin automatically after you've completed the first 2 steps. Due to recent global events, please expect delays in application review. Ayan guys. So in step 3, mag-aantay na lang tayo ng email ng review ni YouTube kung makakapasa tayo o hindi. So hopefully makapasa tayo sa pinaghirapan natin. Ayun, thank you guys. Salamat talaga. Thank you for staying with me and for watching this video. So, sana lahat tayo maging successful sa ano natin, sa YouTube channel. Thank you guys. God bless all.